Okay, children, the sum which we have to discuss today is each coefficient in equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. This is the one equation in general form provided to you, is obtained by throwing a fair die. This is another important keyword in this particular sum. And then you have to find out the probability that the equation has equal root. This is the third keyword. So these three important things you want to remember in this particular equation. That the first equation, what is the equation we are having? Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. A fair die, when you toss a fair die, how many possibilities are there total? 6 possibilities are there. A die is having 6 numbers from 1 to 6. And how many coefficients are there total? 3 coefficients are there. So A having 6 possibilities, with B 6 different possibilities, with C 6 different possibilities, and that means we can say that total number of sample points can be find out 6 into 6 into 6, because related to A, B and C we can find out the total possibilities. That is total how much it is? 216. Therefore, number of S equal to 216 sample points we are having. So this is, we got it. Now, what we want to find out? Probability that equation has equal roots. Now, when equation is having equal root, what we all know that b square minus 4ac equal to what? 0. Right? Because what is given to you? Equation having equal roots. That's why the value of discriminant is always coming what? 0. If you let us rearrange this equation somehow like this, b square equal to 4ac, and now rearrange this 4 to this side, b square by 4 equal to ac. So this is our first important equation we obtain in this particular sum, because you want to find out the value of b such that these two values coming exactly equal, that is b square by 4 should be equal to ac, because 4ac is quite challenging to find out the outcomes, because total number of outcomes you are getting is near about 216. उसमें से आपको कैलकुलेट करना 4ac थोड़ा सा चैलेंजिंग जाएगा. Better than that, what we can do, if you rearrange this somehow like this, so b square by 4 equal to ac can be easily find. Let us see how the next thing can be simplified here. Okay, now let us see. We'll consider the value of b from 1 to 6. Value of b from 1 to 6. So first possibility, when b equals to 1. So what is this left hand side then? B square by 4 equal to 1 square by 4 equal to 1 upon 4. So value of this one is coming 1 by 4. Is there any possibility that product of two number is coming 1 by 4? It is a fraction, so it is not possible. Fraction is there, that's why it is not possible to get this particular possibility. So first option is rejected here. Then second option you have to think here. I'll take this side. Second, when b equals to 2. So what is b square by 4 equals to 2 square by 4, that is 4 by 4 equals to 1. Now how many such possibilities are there where A and C having product equal to 1? Because as we know that value of A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, B also equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, C also equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So amongst this value of A from 1 to 6 and C from 1 to 6, which two numbers having product equal to 1? Which two possibilities are there? Right? Guess it. So here b square by 4 equal to, हमें कितना चाहिए? 1 चाहिए. So we can find out about AC actually. So AC equal to 1 into 1 equal to 1. That is A equal to how much? 1, and C equal to also how much? 1, right? So for that the product is coming how much? 1. So this is the first outcome we got it here. So what we know that b square by 4, sorry, it is b square by 4 equal to AC. For what? When b equals to how much? 2, a equals to 1 and c equal to 1. So this is the first possibility we got it. कितना पॉसिबिलिटी मिला हमें? पहला पॉसिबिलिटी मिला कि ये दोनों वैल्यूज कैसे आ रही है? इक्वल आ रही है. अब थर्ड पॉसिबिलिटी हमारी क्या हो सकती है? व्हेन b इक्वल टू हाउ मच? 3. सो व्हाट इज b स्क्वायर बाय 4? सो इट इज 3 स्क्वायर बाय 4 इक्वल टू 9 बाय 4. अगेन दिस इज रिजेक्टेड. जैसे कि यहाँ 1 बाय 4 हमने रिजेक्ट किया, बिल्कुल वैसे ही 9 बाय 4, बिकॉज आपको फ्रैक्शन के फॉर्म में कोई भी AC का मल्टीप्लिकेशन नहीं आएगा. आपको समझ में आ रहा है ना? ए और सी की कौन कौन सी वैल्यू, जैसे बी की वैल्यू हम 1 to 6 ले रहे हैं, तो ए भी 1 2 3 4 5 और 6 होगा. बी भी हमारा क्या होगा? 1 2 3 4 5 और 6 होगा. सी भी हमारा क्या होगा? 1 2 3 4 5 और 6 होगा. तो इसमें हमने बी की वैल्यू हम लोग सपोज कर रहे हैं, तो इसके बारे में आपको ज्यादा सोचना नहीं है. आपको यू वांट टू थिंक अबाउट ए एंड सी, राइट? सो इज इट पॉसिबल दैट देयर प्रोडक्ट इज कमिंग 9 by 4? नॉट पॉसिबल. जैसे ये फ्रैक्शन आएगा वो आंसर आपका रिजेक्ट हो जाएगा. देन वी आर मूविंग टू द फोर्थ पॉसिबिलिटी दैट व्हेन b इक्वल्स टू 4, therefore b square by 4 equal to 4 square by 4 equal to 16 by 4 equal to how much? 4. Now let us see. We got the value of b square by 4 is how much? 4. Now we want to find out amongst that pair which value A and C having product 4. Which are the possibilities there? Look at the first possibility, 2 into 2. Second possibility कौन सी आ सकती है वहां पर? If A is 1, your C will be 4. Is there any more possibility? Yes. If A is 4, C will be 1. Correct? So total 3 possibilities we are getting here. So first possibility is what? A equal to how much? That is 2. B equal to how much? 4. C equal to how much? 2. तो ये हमारा पहला पॉसिबिलिटी मिल गया. सेकेंड पॉसिबिलिटी इज व्हाट? A equal to how much? 4. B equal to 4. C equal to 1. And third possibility is A equal to 1, B equal to 4, C equal to 4. Look at all this having values b square upon 4 equal to how much? 4. So all this A into C, A into C, A into C coming how much? 4. So these are the 3 more possibilities we got it here. यहाँ पे एक मिला, यहाँ पे हमें 3 values यहाँ पर मिल चुकी है. Now next is what? 5. For 5 we will find it now. Okay? Okay, so here till here we got 1 2 3 and 4 possibilities. Now here b equal to 4. Now we have to next consider that b equal to 5. For that b square by 4 equal to 5 square by 4 is coming 25 by 4. So again this is a fraction, like first 1 by 4, then 9 by 4, again 25 by 4. Therefore there is no such possibility that a into c cannot be here 25 by 4. That's why this is also rejected. Now the sixth possibility is what? B equal to 6. Now b square by 4 will be 6 square by 4 will be 36 by 4 equal to how much? 9. Now amongst this pair which numbers are there having product 9? Carefully watch it. Look at this. 3 into 3 is how much? 9. So here if A equal to 3, C equal to 3, AC equal to how much? 9. Right? So that is another pair we got it. So according to that what we can write on here? A equal to 3, B equal to 9 and C equal to 3. This is your next outcome. So like this, total how many outcomes we got it here? Which satisfies the value for b square by 4 equal to AC? 1, this 3, 1 plus 3 how much? 4, and this is the fifth one. So total possibilities are there 5 possibilities are there, right? That means जो हमारा event है, suppose this is a event, so number of A will be how much? 5. Now we want to find out the probability of that particular event A. P of A will be equal to what? Number of A upon number of S. So number of A is 5 and number of S is 216. So this is the probability of that particular equation. Easy? Thank you.